Good phones are getting cheap, and cheap phones are getting good. The Infinix Note 8 for $200. Look at this screen. It's a 6.95-inch LCD display. The back of the Note 8 here is this like interesting pattern of glossy blue pyramid shapes. At the bottom here, you may notice it is USB Type-C. This one has a 5,200 milliamp hour battery. Then the software experience with what they're calling XOS on top of Android 10, and you're also getting 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. So enough to run some games on that huge, nearly 7-inch display and feel totally fine with it. 6 cameras on this phone, 4 on the back, 2 on the front. I'm actually, I would say, impressed. I think it's harder to make a good phone at this price. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.